saucing on you.
Hey y'all, your phone dead? I'm back. Aggravated because I can't get the freaking Wi-Fi. But we at my grandma's house. We left home because it was too hot and the power went off. It's been off since yesterday, and it was too hot. And then we didn't want our food to go bad. And then my hamster and then the fish and then Rico. So we had to come here. And now we're just chilling, I guess you could say. Not really doing anything. But yeah. Rico. Hamsters up there. We'll probably just be here for a couple of days. Because it's too hot at home. And the power ain't turned on yet. So we'll probably be here for like 1 or 2 days, I guess. They got AC and their fridge is working, so we got to take a shower, wash our hair and stuff like that. Packed up the car and then we came here, and now we're just chilling. So I guess whenever, if we do something, my mom is cooking right now. She's cooking like some sausage and eggs. So I guess once that is done and we're done eating, I'll be back.
What's up, y'all? So we in Hope Sound just chilling. Malia's doing absolutely nothing with her life.
I'm making a thriller. We have nothing to do, but it's okay.
I'm tired, exhausted.
Really?
We showered though. Ate. Got Rico up there sitting on grandma's sofa. No, he not supposed to be up there.
Granny!
But we just chilling. Probably might drive to Salerno.
It's so boring.
This is what happens when there's a storm.
There isn't a storm anymore.
My hair look a hot mess. I'm finna take them with me to go do my hair.
What? Who?
Leah's World.
Dead. That's, we need to make up a better name for them.
But yeah, I don't know when we're going home. We have no power, but I'm going to work tomorrow because I need to get them coins. But yes, look at my pop. But yeah, we're just chilling. Hopefully we can get home soon. Sucks kind of not having no power because you can't do what you need to do, but we had to get up out of there. Between the pets and us, it was just so hot. It was like 85 degrees in the house. We did have our windows and stuff up, but that little bit of air, it seemed like it was a lot of air, but nothing was coming through. So we just chilling at Graham's. Hopefully the power be back on soon, because my house is a mess. I need to go home and clean it. Ugh. So yeah, hopefully we'll know something by today. If not, we're just gonna have to continue to figure it out. I just can't let my food go bad. Come on, Rico, come get out of the bathroom. But yeah, I hope that everybody made it out okay. and no one had any bad damage. Excuse my grandma's house. Ain't nobody here right now. Come on, Rico. It's not even too bad. Not much stuff fell. Come on. But yeah. Hopefully my cousin will get here soon. I have to put some air in my tire for some reason. The air in my tire is kind of low. But Rico, no, we ain't going nowhere. Get out the car. It's too hot for you to be in there. Had to come in the car. Grab my thing, you know what I mean? Couldn't leave the house with it, without it. Just in case I had to, you know what I mean, pop off on somebody right quick. But yeah, we just waiting it out. Wish I can get back home, but come on, let's go. Rico ain't trying to get out the car. Rico, say what's up to the vlog. He love being in his car. He always think we supposed to go somewhere. I think my cousin coming down the street right now. Well, that might be my uncle. Come on, Rico, let's go. Come on. No. This way. Come here. Oh. Come on. So, yeah. We ain't doing shit. Not much to really vlog because we not really out and about right now. But if we slide somewhere, I'll definitely make sure we vlog. So we'll be back in the meantime though, y'all. Name? Peace.
Hey y'all. So, like I said, how we was saying how we was at our house and the power was out since yesterday, so we couldn't stay there. It was just too hot. I was sweating in my sleep. It was just horrible. So, we came to my grandma's house. It felt so good in here. The AC worked.
We had
Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi, everything. No, Mama just got done cooking, and the power just went out. The fries taste nasty. They taste like the freezer still. It's hot as heck in here, and there ain't no Wi-Fi. And my phone on 6%.
Shout out to all the followers on IG. We just surpassed 100.
Oh yeah, we got like 107.
Takes time. Thanks to the supporters. Excuse me. I thought I heard a cat. Pete. I swear Demetrius need to hurry up because nobody got time for this shit.
It's hot as heck. We thought we came over here thinking that everything was gonna be
We thought we was lamping.
peaches and cream. No. Negative. It's hot.
I got hot fast too.
For real.
Huh, Rico? Damn, you eating all the chicken.
Right. From both of us. The ugly self. It's freaking hot. If y'all don't live in Florida, y'all is so lucky. Because all these hurricanes, and it's gonna be another hurricane. Jose finna come up and through here. Like, what the heck? I don't have time for it. You know what they said? They said Harvey was cheating on Hurricane Harvey was cheating on Hurricane Irma with that new hurricane Katina. Well, I don't even know if it's still coming. And so Irma went and came and cheated with Jose, but Jose was married to Katina, the hurricane. So that made Irma mad and Harvey mad, so that's when they came up through here.
Girl, what the hell are you talking about?
That's what they said.
You coming up with some conspiracy shit.
That's what they said.
I don't understand. Look at this, y'all. We at my grandma's house. They got all this shit in the backyard, right? All this shit in the backyard. Not one thing moved. Right? I don't understand. Everything's still in place. All this mulch and shit. We about to get on that orange thing right there in a little bit. Waiting for my cousin right now to bring us the key, and we finna ride this bitch on down the street.
For real?
Yeah.
He said that?
We just gotta get the key.
Can you teach me how to drive it?
It's just like a car. Rico, come on.
You only let me drive your car one time, and that's to park it.
Yeah, that's.
And you barely let me do that.
Girl, eat your chicken. At least we eating chicken.
That's all we eat here.
Can't go wrong with chicken.
But that's what we're doing right now. Just chilling. Well, not even chilling. It's hot as heck.
Mm-hmm.
But this wind is coming in, so it's kind of feel better than our house.
Cause I had got the front door and the back door open.
Oh my God, it was hot as. I didn't even know how you was sleeping.
I was naked.
And then Rico was getting yelled at all night. Every time he would hear a door slam, roo, roo. And then my mom was like, Rico, come lay down. I'm like, I know Rico tired of hearing her yell at him. And Pete is such a good cat. He was just sleeping all night. I was sleeping on a little spinny chair until my knee started hurting, and then I was uncomfortable. My back was hurting, so I pushed Pete off the couch and I told him to get on the floor. And then me and Rico sat on the couch. Yeah, early this morning when I saw the sun and I saw that the storm was over, Rico was looking out the window, and cause I could not go to sleep. The wind was howling and it just sounded creepy. The hallways was dark. It was. That's disgusting.
Listen, you think because we ain't got no power, I'm not supposed to fart?
It's outside, mommy. Outside.
What about outside?
We gonna fart outside. Fart in the bathroom.
Man, I ain't got time to be walking outside to pass gas.
That's nasty.
You want more chicken?
No, I'm full.
How? You only had one piece of chicken.
I'm just full off of life. I'm a little tired of this hurricane.
We ain't got no hurricane.
Jose coming. That's some. Are we leaving when he comes? If he comes.
He better come with a damn cooler. Cause I need to put my food in the fridge. I need a cooler.
I don't even know why you brought ice cream. The ice cream.
You trying to chew?
I am.
I'm talking about because I brought ice cream.
Mommy, you don't even use those words.
I use them now. All right, bro?
You so cute.
You so curl.
Ew.
Ew, bro. Ain't nobody trying to cheat, bro.
Man, Terrell. Y'all hilarious. And Tony's still running on the darn wheel. He need to be asleep. I don't think he's nocturnal.
Listen, Dimitri said he was going to be on the way like hours ago. I hope he really telling the truth this time.
He's going to be here by tomorrow.
If he get here tomorrow, I'm going to his house.
Looking for you.
I gotta go to work tomorrow.
When do I go back to school? Next week?
Wednesday. Whew.
When Wednesday. I feel bad for Miami.
We need to go to work with Demetrius and make some
Bro,
money.
that hurricane was so bad in Miami that a lady had to deliver her own baby, bro. That's crazy.
Bro.
People do that on a daily basis sometimes, but that's not normal. Well, I mean, to deliver your own baby, that's kind of like not safe.
She deserves a prize.
Yeah. All women deserve a prize when they deliver a baby. They done go through all that stress just to bring out some hard-headed behind children.
Like you.
I'm not hard-headed. I listen. Now Rico, on the other hand,
these fries was wasting my time. I should have left these bitches with Palm Beach.
we was trying to cook and then my mom was trying to cook and then the power go out.
I thought we were safe in Hope Sound.
No!
I thought we was winning for a minute.
It don't even look like the power would go out. Like, I don't know, understand what happened.
Child, we gotta go to D's house.
She got power?
Hell yeah. She ain't got no TV, but she got power.
I got my phone. It's better than our house, because Jesus Christ, it was hotter than... It was hot. Say hey, Rico.
Listen, Demetrius better hurry up.
Why Rico?
Can you go outside?
Fat up here and then skinny right here.
Because he done ate all that chicken. Can you go outside and see if you see a cooler that I might have to debo right quick?
Come on, y'all. Rico, you stay in here because you don't listen.
Let him go outside. I'm watching him.
They got all this freaking crap. A little doom buggy thingy. 4-wheeler. Let me look over here. Excuse me. Well, I be getting scared because it's so much stuff. So you know that means like more like snakes and well, that's just because of the grass. Snakes or like I don't know. What the heck? Snakes, lizards. Rico, come. Come on. And he don't listen, y'all, so.
Dang, bro, ain't no cool out here?
No, bro. Looking, oh, you know they window broke?
Where?
Down there, downstairs.
In the Florida room?
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
My grandma's window done broke. Look at that boat. It's so cute.
Man, where the hell is Demetrius at? It don't take that long to get here.
Just, and he does not listen at all. He just be doing his own thing. Dang, they need to let me get one of these cars when I start driving.
Girl, you don't want them shit.
They don't work?
No.
Oh.
That shit don't work either.
Why? What, this? It looked like it worked.
Yeah, piece of shit.
Mommy.
We need to get on the one on Jupiter Island. They got gas in it.
It don't look, it looked like it worked. Might try to fight me. Look at them little ugly souls. I just want to drive. You don't understand. Oh, time to go. Sorry, y'all. I had felt something on my arm, so I cleared.
Huh?
Be careful. Rico, come. I felt something on my arm, and I dipped, and then I accidentally pressed the back button. And
You ain't got no cooler at your house? Fuck.
Anybody got ice here where you been?
I got ice.
Oh, you do?
Yeah. I just need a cooler. Demetrius on this way. I need a damn cooler.
You gotta get my nigga.
How big is it?
It's so hot, y'all. You're gonna understand.
Stop pissing on them people's plants. Damn. I look like a fucking Haitian.
What's wrong with Haitians?
Nothing, I'm just saying.
Not all Haitians dressed ugly.
But I know.
Oh, your phone about to die too.
Okay, you can end the vlog.
25%. Alright, y'all. We'll see y'all
We'll be
later.
back, y'all. We about to go to Miss D house because this shit ain't the beat.
Alright, y'all.
Malia. Malia.
Oh.
We are beat, you guys. I know I am. Are you?
No, I'm not tired.
I'm tired.
Bored.
I just want to go home, get naked, and lay in some AC. It seemed like everybody's house we go to, they power go out. Our power done went out. We went to my grandma's house. Her power went out. Now we at Miss D house. Thank God her power ain't go out. But we just posted up chilling, sitting in the AC, trying to recuperate. My eyes are so black because I ain't getting no rest. Oh my God. It look like I got beat up. Is this how I really look?
Good.
It do look like that?
Good.
But yeah, we waiting for our food to come. We ordered us some Fujiyama, so Miss D went to go pick it up. So we gonna eat that, I guess, for brunch, lunch, whatever you want to call it. My eyebrows look a hot mess. My hair look a mess. We just look at, I got the towel on my shirt. We just busted up. He tied. I don't know if y'all can see him, but he's so tired. We got Tony and Mr. Fishes over there. But yeah, Hurricane Irma came through. You know what I mean? She spread them legs across Florida and tore us up.
I hate Florida. It's boring here.
It's not that it's boring.
We already did everything. There's nothing else to do.
But nah, we gonna be moving soon. Can't tell you the location until we actually move. Hopefully, if everything works out the way it's supposed to. Oh my goodness. Well, if we don't vlog later on tonight, then I guess we'll vlog tomorrow. Give you guys an update. Hopefully our power comes back on soon. I gotta go back to work tomorrow. Both jobs. So stay tuned.
See you guys next time.
The hell was that? Bye, y'all. Peace.
Diamonds in my chain go up. Okay. Every 20 minutes change clothes. I had a